Finding the right self-defense tool can make a big difference in personal safety and peace of mind. Best flashlight stun gun options combine a powerful flashlight with a strong stun feature, giving you both visibility and protection in one compact, easy-to-carry device. Stay safe anytime, anywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SKYFIRE Flashlight Stun Gun. The SKYFIRE Flashlight Stun Gun is designed for people who want a powerful combination of lighting performance and personal protection in a single device. One of the most impressive aspects of this tool is its extremely bright flashlight capability. With an output of up to 3,000 lumens, the beam can illuminate large outdoor areas, making it ideal for camping trips, nighttime walks, security use, or emergency situations. The adjustable focus allows users to switch between a wide floodlight for nearby visibility and a long-distance spotlight that can reach up to 3,000 feet, giving it impressive versatility. A real-time battery display also helps users keep track of remaining power, so they are never caught off guard. Another unique feature is the 3-lens system included with the flashlight. In addition to the standard transparent lens, the device comes with yellow and blue lenses that can change the color of the light for signaling, mood lighting, or even reducing insect attraction while outdoors. The flashlight also offers 5 lighting modes, including high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS. Number 2. Omega Stun Gun's Flashlight Stun Gun. The Omega Stun Gun's Flashlight Stun Gun is a heavy-duty self-defense device built for people who prefer maximum reach and intimidation when it comes to personal safety. Unlike many compact stun guns, this model is intentionally large and powerful, measuring approximately 18.5 inches long and weighing around 2.5 pounds. Its size alone can act as a strong deterrent because it resembles a large tactical baton. This makes it suitable for security personnel, property protection, or individuals who want a more substantial self-defense tool. One of the key characteristics of this stun gun is its straightforward power system. Instead of using rechargeable batteries, the device operates on 2 replaceable 9-volt alkaline batteries. The manufacturer recommends using high-quality batteries to ensure reliable performance and avoid power issues. Many users actually appreciate this approach because it allows them to replace batteries instantly rather than waiting for recharge, which can be important during emergencies. The device includes an on-off safety switch along with a spring-loaded activation trigger. When the safety switch is turned on, pressing the trigger produces the electric charge used for self-defense. Releasing the trigger immediately stops the current, giving the user full control over the device. Number 3. Pain Safari Flashlight Stun Gun. The Pain Safari Flashlight Stun Gun offers a unique self-defense package by combining multiple tactical tools into one convenient set. Instead of relying on a single device, this kit provides both a powerful stun flashlight and a discreet tactical pen, giving users multiple layers of protection and practical utility. The main component of the set is the Shockwave Mini Tactical Flashlight, which delivers an impressive 800,000 volts of stun power, designed to help deter attackers and provide a strong defensive response in dangerous situations. Beyond its stun capability, the flashlight itself is also extremely bright and functional. The high-intensity beam can temporarily disorient an attacker while also providing reliable illumination during nighttime activities or emergencies. Whether someone is walking through a dark parking lot, hiking on a trail, or dealing with a power outage, the flashlight ensures strong visibility when it matters most. The included tactical pen adds another level of versatility to the kit. Made from hardened aircraft-grade aluminum, the pen is designed for durability and everyday use, while also functioning as an emergency tool. One of its most useful features is the built-in glass breaker, which can help shatter a vehicle window in case of an emergency escape situation. Number 4. Recolorfine Flashlight Stun Gun. The Recolorfine Flashlight Stun Gun focuses on portability and convenience while still delivering effective personal protection. Unlike many larger stun guns on the market, this model is designed to be compact and easy to carry at all times. In fact, it is about half the size of traditional stun guns, making it much easier to hold, store, and operate. Despite its small size, it still offers strong electric shock capability, giving users confidence in their personal safety. A built-in LED flashlight is one of the most practical features of this device. The light helps users navigate dark environments such as parks, parking lots, corridors, or quiet streets at night. Having both illumination and self-defense capability in a single device makes it especially useful for people who frequently travel alone after dark. The flashlight also allows the user to quickly identify surroundings before activating the stun function if needed. Charging the device is simple thanks to its USB charging capability. Unlike older stun guns that require frequent battery replacements, this model can be easily recharged using a USB cable. This saves money over time and ensures the device can be powered up almost anywhere, including through a computer, power bank, or wall adapter. Number 5. Streetwise Security Products Flashlight Stun Gun. The Streetwise Security Products Flashlight Stun Gun stands out because of its discreet and innovative design. Unlike traditional stun guns that are often bulky and obvious, this model is cleverly shaped like an ordinary pen. The strong metal clip also allows it to attach securely to a pocket, purse, or notebook, ensuring it stays easily accessible. Despite its small size, this pen-style stun gun delivers impressive power. The compact device is designed to produce a strong electric shock that can help stop or deter an attacker quickly. Its portability makes it especially useful for individuals who want a self-defense tool that can be carried daily without adding noticeable bulk. Many users appreciate that it fits easily into a pocket or small bag while still providing effective protection. Another interesting feature is its deterrent capability. Simply activating the stun function into the air produces a visible and audible electric arc, which can often scare off potential attackers before any physical confrontation occurs. This makes it a preventative tool as much as a defensive one. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.